Well, folks, it's Happy Halloween. And see, I'm dressed for Halloween. A lovely wet day. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and in the porch here, let's see. And the birds are actually up. And you see, that's a new peanut holder. I got peanuts from yesterday. And that's a new ball holder. Let's look at what I bought yesterday for him. There you go. Oh, can't see it now. Peanuts for wild birds. But don't eat them. They're not for human consumption. Oh, the garden. Look at the garden. Oh my god. It's flooded. Oh well. Let's see. There's another ball, empty ball holder there. I didn't take them out of the green box in there. And a lovely wet day. Happy Halloween, everyone. From Beetlejuice.